Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, which time you're watching this video. My name is Michael. Kindly like, subscribe to this channel for more videos on passive income and how to make money online and all of that. My name is Michael once more. Now, yesterday so many people called me, sent me a message. They can't hear the sound from the video. I'm sorry for that. So today I decided to let the time frame as of yesterday, when as the time I did that video and time I did my grab yesterday and today. So I decided to shift it earlier this time so I can be able to do a very good sound. So I'm not wasting your time. I've not grabbed today for today, so I'm going to show you how to do that on a daily basis. Now, if you have dropped your money on if you have dropped your fund on finance, so before you grab, what do? You go to finance again. Here, this is what I've earned so far of yesterday. So you click all and you transfer out. I think there's a bad network. Okay, I'm coming. Let me off this one, off my server. Yesterday, this is what I transfer in as of yesterday. So all the record of previous days transfer, none of that is here. So this is what I transfer in yesterday. So I'm going to transfer out now, and you click out. It will say successfully transferred out. So what do I do now? I go to grab. You see, you can see now I have $217 in this account. So I'm going to grab for today. I'm going to click on grab. I'll do my 50 grab, and then I'm going to pause this video a little to show you guys when I'm through, and then how to put it back to finance again, and then make money for me instead of lying the money down on finance on your back office like that. So So welcome back, and this is I've done 43 now, so we'll complete the remaining one and see how we can send the money back to finance for the day, so I can earn more profit again. $46. Normally this countdown doesn't come out those days, but it's like there's an upgrade in the system now that we are seeing countdown from every time you touch the grab button. So it takes much time than expected before within 5 minutes you have done the order for the day and you're going to do your other business. But now it takes more than 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 15 minutes to grab order for the day. So I'm through now, and you can see my personal commission is $7 so far. So I'm done for the day. So what do? Go to home page, click on finance. I have 224 currently. So what do you do here? Click here, then you need to come in here. Now when you are done clicking here, what do you click? One day. When you click one day, you click on transfer all in. This transfer all in. This transfer in. Now you can see the money has gone to asset and finance. So tomorrow by this time 6:20, you should be ready to transfer out to grab again for the day. I have 224. So tomorrow by this time I'll do a sharp video for everybody to see how much has come in so far and all of that. So thanks for taking your time and all of that. Thanks for watching. You can see my balance is zero now because everything has gone into finance. So if you like this video, comment. If you have any questions and answer, drop your comment, drop your questions. I'll be glad to attend to it. And I have a group that is going to be in this description of this video. You can get my number there, and then you can get to ask your questions directly. See you in the next video.